Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to be showing you guys how to make money trading cryptos on Binance. So this is one of the easiest way you can earn on the cryptocurrency field, just by trading cryptocurrencies at a particular time at a particular rate, and that's all you have to do and you start making money. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the Binance interface and how to go about the trading. Now, on the later part of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be telling you guys the most important factor you need to consider when making your trades on Binance so that you don't run on loss. So, when you log into your Binance dashboard, this is literally the first interface you are going to see. Well, you can see something else. Let me show you. If you are new to Binance, it's okay. If you are new to Binance, it might be that once you log in your Binance for the first time, you are going to see an interface like this with little uh, accessibilities. But all you have to do is just click on that icon and you turn on Binance Pro here, and it's going to take you to the pro version of Binance where you can actually buy and trade cryptocurrencies. So here you can see these are a few cryptocurrencies here. Favorite, this is the market where you can search for a lot of cryptocurrencies. So before I proceed to how to trade, I want to point out something, bring your attention to something. In Binance, we have different types of formats of trading. We have the future trades, we have the sports trade, we have the margin trading, a lot. So there's also the P2P, that's peer-to-peer trading. So for the sake of this video today, we are going to be we are going to be looking at the sports trading. So I hope you guys are excited. So this is the spot trading. Now when you come to how I go to this interface, you come to, this is from home, you click on trade under here, and you click on futures. It's going to take you to a futures trading. This is the futures trading interface. So please mind you, all these interface trading interface, they almost look alike, so you have to be careful which one you are trading on. So we are using the sports trading here. You can see the icon is selected on sports here. So say for instance we are using this coin, for example. This is the coin docs USDT. So this is buy. If you are buying docs with USDT, and if you are selling docs for USDT, you click on sell. So it's just as simple as that. So now this is the current price. This place here shows you the current price. This is the buy orders, this is the sell orders. And if you want to see the whole chart, you can just click on this icon that looks like a candlestick here, and it's going to show you a whole detailed chart of what's going on. You select your time frame here. This is the 4 hours, this is the 1 hour, but this is a complicated strategy I'm going to show you on my later video. So let's go back to this interface. This is what we are most concerned about. So now assuming you want to buy this cryptocurrency, you want to buy the docs cryptocurrency and you have USDT. Currently I don't have USDT in my wallet, so you can see my available USDT is 0.0, so I can't do any transaction now. But say you want to run a current transaction. Now you look at this limit order. Let me explain something about this limit order. This limit order means the price you want to purchase your crypto at. Now the current price of these docs is 0.1647. Now say I still want it to come down to maybe 1640 before I purchase. Now I come to this limit order and I edit it. Once it's 40 and I select the amount of dogs I want, maybe 50 dogs, you see it's going to cost me $8.2. Now it's showing insufficient available funds because I don't have enough USDT in my wallet. So now I can input this, and then when I click on buy, it's going to keep this order. It's going to keep this order for me on pending. It's going to be an open order. Then when the price of dogs falls down to 0.1640, the trade is going to automatically activate, and I'm going to automatically the market is going to automatically exchange my USDT for dogs. So that's how this works. That's how the limit works. Now if I'm not certain about a price that I want to buy immediately, I can just click on market. Now clicking on market means you are buying exactly at this price here, this 0.1651. You see now the price has gone up a bit. So clicking on market means I'm buying exactly at the current market price. So once I select this market option, I just input the amount of Bitcoin I want to the amount of USDT I want to trade. So I input it here, or I can select from this 25%, 50%, 75, 100%. This means you are selecting a certain portion of your balance, your USDT balance, to make the purchase. So let's say I have 10 USDT, for example, or I have 100 USDT and I select 25. That means I'm going to make this trade with 25 USDT. If I pick on 50, I'm going to make the trade with 50 USDT. So that, I hope you get a hang of how it works. So now once I've set the amount of the coin I want, when I click on buy dogs, automatically this trade executes. It doesn't go to open orders again. It executes immediately and I get my coin immediately. So it's an executed order. Reason because I'm buying exactly at current market price. So if you have a desired price in hand, now you use your limit price so that you buy before or after it gets to a certain price. Now likewise, when you want to sell, it is the same process. You are just doing a different option. Now you are selling instead of buying. So when you are selling your dogs coin which you have bought for what? USDT. It's as simple as that. So just the same method. If you want to sell at a higher price, now it's 1648. Say we want to sell at 1670. You come here, you select 1670. Now what this does is, when the price of dogs gets higher to this current price, which is at 1670, automatically the system sells your dogs in exchange for USDT. That is just what happens here. But if you select the market order as usual, you are selling at the current market price and the trade gets executed instantly. So I hope you get me on that. So that's basically the most easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Binance. Now for the stop limit, the trading stop, and this OCO, I'm going to explain all these in a later video which I've made and will be uploaded soon. But uh, for the meantime, this is where I'm going to stop in this video. Before I forget, I said I'm going to mention I'm going to give you a tip to take note of when you are trading cryptocurrencies. So when trading cryptocurrencies, the way people actually make their money, the way traders actually make their money, it's, you need to always remember, if you are new into the game, that you should buy low and sell high. That's how you make profits. When you buy low, you sell high. Now let me take you back to this chart, for example. So when you look at this chart, This is let me zoom this. So I hope you can see. When you look at this chart now, this is the DOX USDT. Now this is the daily time frame, so let me take it to the 4 hours time frame. Now assuming you want to buy DOX USDT at this time, so now I would say if you are buying at, sorry, just a minute. So if you are buying at this current price now, here, which is this place, now you make a profit, or you intend to make a profit if you sell at a higher price, say around this point or this point here. Now you're going to make a profit when the price gets to this place and you sell. Now if you buy at this price, let's say, okay, let me change this to red. Okay, let me change it to blue, then draw another line. Let's change this one to red. So now if you buy at this point and you sell at red, say your crypto keeps falling down, you sell at red, you're going to make a loss, definitely. So it's not advisable. It's rather you buy here, you hold it till it gets to somewhere above your purchasing amount, which is obviously going to give you a certain amount of profit, then you sell. So that's the tip, that's the secrets you need to know when you are purchasing and you are selling Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more tutorial videos on Binance. And if you have any question or you want me to do any tutorial video for you, please feel free to drop the message on the comment section, and I'll be sure to do that video. So in the meantime, we stick to this. I say my goodbye, and in my next video I'm going to show you guys how to use the other trading interfaces on Binance and how to also use those other forms of market orders which I have showed you guys. So bye for now. I hope you enjoyed the video.